Hey my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I'm blessed having you guys here to this far. I'm already having many friends because you people are genuine, so direct to the business. Today's business, guys, you can see my laundry basket is full of clothes, full, guys, from down to top. It is full of dirty clothes. So guys, we went home as a family. It was an emergency and we had to run home. So imagine we went with the clean clothes. They were clean, and when coming back, you can see we are back with the dirty clothes. So I have to wash them. I want to do laundry, guys. So I'm going to use this one is just Omo. I'm always using Sunlight. So I always buy Omo anytime I don't have Omo. I go buy then transfer here, guys. I'm always using Sunlight, and I'm going to use this one, guys. You can see this one is Downy, yeah, and just my bar soap. This is just my bar soap and a brush. Sometimes I use brush when some clothes like we were from home. From home, guys, you know how children, they can really play, like they do everything to ensure that the clothes they are putting on become more dirty and dirtier. So guys, sometimes I'm going to use this brush here to scrub those stains. Yeah, sometimes baby clothes, they are having stains because they play a lot. So I'm going to wash, guys. Stay with me. Here, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to sort clothes. Yeah, we start with the white ones, like these ones, guys. Like this one, you start with the white one. Yeah, like these ones. Then you go to, like, you go with the color, guys. When washing your clothes, go with the color. Start with those color, yeah, you understand. Then like that. Yeah, so guys, let's sort first. Then we start washing. You can see back there is already that is my towel. Yeah, we call it towel. Yeah, that's the one I used to cover my baby while we travel during night, going and coming back. We usually travel at night, so I use that. It is a big towel, like, yeah, it's already in the water inside that basket. So guys, let's sort. We are going to start with that one. Yeah, and then start with these white ones, like that, until we finish. Please stay connected, guys, kindly. I'm grateful you already did it. We did it because of you. So guys, please help me get reasonable views. With you people, I know it is possible. So let's wash, guys. So let's sort our clothes. Of course, let's sort our clothes first. So guys, like this one, they are jeans. These I'm going to wash after we are done with the white ones. Like this one I put them different. Jeans I wash. Yeah, we put on a lot of jeans. And this one is also denim. And this one too. So jeans. This one is a soft jeans. These are jeans, guys. These are jeans. Yeah, I place them somewhere. Then sweaters. Yeah, guys, you know when you are traveling, you must put on a sweater. So we are having lots of sweater here. And these ones. The black ones is sort differently. They stay different places. The black, yeah. This one is also a sweater, a jumper. This one is a black jeans. Yeah guys, what we do mostly when washing, while you wanna do your laundry, the clothes that fade, those clothes that fade, you cannot mix them anyhowly. You ensure you separate your clothes for you to have smooth work. Yeah, like that. Guys, there are too many. Yeah guys, this is the bar soap I'm always using. It is just Jama, and I can use even this one, Zenta. Yeah, Zenta. These are the kind of bar soaps I'm using. Yeah, I'm using to do my laundry. So I always place them just inside my basket here. They always staying or living. I always keep them inside this laundry basket. So guys, I'm done with the laundry basket. Yeah, let it now rest. It's now resting somewhere there. Yeah guys, so just wanna go direct to the business. I'm done also sorting my clothes. I'm done sorting clothes. So just wanna start washing right away, guys. Right away. Right away. Yes. Yeah, sawa. Hiyo ni mzuri. You raise me high so I can stand on mountain. Guys, I like singing while doing my things, because when you are doing things maybe you feel bored, so you just you push with the song you love. So me, I like singing those gospel songs. You raise me up to walk on stormy sea. I am strong when I am on your shore. You raise me up. So guys, let's go start with that one. That's the towel I was talking about. The towel I used to cover my baby. You know, when we are traveling during night, it's cold, a bit cold. Not even a bit. It was just cold. So I had to use that one to cover my small baby. So let me show you how I sorted my clothes. So guys, you can see here I'm having sweaters. Here I'm having my jeans. Here I'm having black things. Here I'm having clothes which are not that bright. They are not, yeah, you understand, this kind. Yeah, then here we are having others. These are others. So let's now wash, guys. Let's now start washing. This, the way I said before, we are going to start with this one, that one, my towel. I already added Omo inside here, guys. I already added Omo inside here. You raise me up. Oh, God's doing see. Guys, this one I'm using, this one I use it after, like, I wanna rinse. When I wanna rinse my clothes, then I use it. For now I start with the bar soap start with bar soap and Homo. Okay, this is the towel I was talking about. It is too heavy, guys. Too heavy. Guys, it is now having a lot of water. Now too heavy. I cannot even I cannot even carry it, guys. Too heavy. Yeah, that's the towel I was talking about. So guys, when washing, I wash it from here. I place here, guys, here. Then another trap is here. Then that one is final. Then I see my water. Even it's still having, it is still soapy. It's having soap, a lot of soap, a lot of foam. Then I rinse again. But if I see the water is clear, then I just go and hang my clothes. That's how I usually check when I need to rinse again or to stop rinsing. Then I can just hang my clothes. When my water cannot come out clear, I will continue rinsing my clothes until I see clear white water. Of course, not white. We are having colorless water until I see my water is colorless, guys. So let's now wash. Guys, this one is too heavy. It is too heavy, guys. Yes, yeah. Guys, for where I'm hanging my clothes, I don't know whether I can show you because the balcony we are having here, I don't even know how to place my camera. I will try if possible. If not, I will just show you. I will just hold my phone and show you my clothes already on hangers. So here we use ropes, those small ropes, we buy them. Then we tie, then we start hanging our clothes. Not really hangers. Hangers are those one we used to keep when keeping our clothes inside closet. So guys, like this, I just go around it like this. It is soft and not that dirty because I used it only while going home in the car during night when we were traveling. Then I used it again when I was coming back. Yeah, so it is not dirty, and it is during no. It is during rain, no dust, guys. So this one I'm just done like that. So I'm going to place it here. So So guys, I picked another next step. I picked the ones looking white. Yeah. They are you understand, they are not dirty as such. The color is a bit not dark. They are not fading like that, guys. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to now place, now transfer this one to next step. So guys, this was what I was talking about. When I see my water is still like having this a lot of foam, I will continue rinsing my clothes until I get clear water. You can see this one, you cannot hang your clothes like this. For me especially, I'm talking for myself. I cannot rinse my clothes with this lot of foam here. So I will rinse my clothes until I see clear water coming out, guys. So guys, with my Downy, I'm going to use the final stage when I'm just about to finish my last. So when I'm rinsing my clothes last, then I go hang my clothes. But this one I keep on adding home. I keep on adding, yeah, like that. This one is sun, father, gold. Those are talking about couples gold. Here we are talking about father, son, gold. Nothing, nothing like couple gold. So it's about father. You can see they are matching. Guys, here in my house, they are just buy like uniform for themselves. Yeah, if I can show you this black, they are black. These are theirs. Even those jeans, just theirs. Son, father, gold. Nothing like couple gold here. Oh my good God. Okay, guys, let's continue. Guys, we are done with that step, so I'm going direct to jeans. After jeans, I will go to sweaters, then the rest. Then the rest, of course. So I'm going direct to jeans, guys. Jeans. Good thing with my jeans, they are not fading. Yeah, they are really maintaining their color. They don't fade. So even if I wash them before any other clothes, no, nothing, no negative effects, guys. So I'm just okay to go ahead and wash my jeans. Then I will go to my sweaters. Yeah, my sweaters are they are blue. They are blue, orange, pink. I see there. I see no white in my sweaters, guys. So guys, these are my jeans. So these my jeans, they are not fading, guys. That's not the good thing about them. They are original. Original. So here what I do again, guys, yeah, like the process, I just go like that until I finish. Like I started with this one, my towel. Yeah, I continue transferring my towel to better water like that. Yeah, you know the process, just like that. No passing stage here, no stage and passing, guys. Then I begin these ones. I'm taking there to next step. Guess washing is not easy. Doing laundry is not easy. Hey! Guys, father-in-law was just calling. Father-in-law was just calling, confirming if we reached safely, guys. I told you when I was starting my video, we traveled back home. We traveled from home. We went home and we traveled from home. So yeah, we reached safely, of course, and I didn't call back to inform. My father-in-law is just mwah. Hey guys, having father-in-law who loves you like I don't know. Oh my good God. So guys, let's continue. That is just a by the way. So guys, we continue like this. So guys, this water, I transfer it here. Remember, those are my jeans. Don't forget. Guys, that's how I do my laundry always. That's how I do my laundry. So guys, now let's wash our jeans. Guys, I'm done with our jeans. You can see them there. And I told you guys, my jeans, they are not, you can see water, they are not fading. So I'm safe whether I wash them first before the clothes. So I'm safe, I'm very safe, guys. So I'm done with our jeans. I'm going now to sweaters, guys. There are many. I'm having, guys, where we went with the clean clothes, very clean. And when coming back, who can relate? Who can relate? Who can relate? So guys, now I'm washing sweaters. Then the rest. These are black ones. I'm having black ones here, guys. Then the rest. You understand the rest clothes. So guys, let me wash. I'm gonna tell you when I'm done washing. So guys, this is where brush come. This is where now this brush. Yeah. So this is where I call this brush. This sweater here, guys, I'm trying to scrub using my hands alone. But impossible. I can't do it because this is for my son. So here is where I introduce brush. And the other side also. These are hands. Just like that, guys. So sometimes you can even be defeated to scrub using your hands. So you introduce brush. Like I've been washing a lot of clothes here, guys. So my fingers maybe cannot do it well when it comes to my son's sweater. So I have to use this one. Guys, you can see I'm done. So these are now the rest of the clothes. The rest of the clothes, you understand. They are not bad, of course. They are not bad, but you understand. They are color like this one. It's a sweatpant to my son. It is not bad, but because of this color, I can even. It is not bad washing it lastly. Yeah, it is very new, guys. I'm not saying when I say the rest, so you think they are bad. They are not bad. Yeah, you can see this one for my son. Yeah, the rest meaning you can wash it, you can start with it or you can end with it, but the best thing you can end with it after you are done with the colorful ones, the white, yeah, you understand, they are not bad. Even this one is not bad. The rest meaning the color cannot be affected no matter what. They maintain their color like I don't know. Even this one is my jeans trouser, guys. It is not bad. It's very new. Yeah. Guys, what I'm feeling in my waist, because we are bending too long. Hey, it's not easy, guys. When you bend too long, now when you're trying to stand like this, oh, you feel it. Like now I'm feeling it, guys. Just imagine this one, 1, 2, 3, and that one, 4. Full buckets with clothes. It's not easy, guys. So I'm done. I just wanna do rinsing, guys. So here is where now I introduce my Downy. Yeah, when I'm rinsing, then I'm just done. Guys, for me, imagine all of these clothes, they are mostly for my babies. For me, when I'm going home, like this, my blouse really suffered. I put it on like I'm not saying that I carried only this one, but mostly I carry the clothes for my babies. Like a lot of clothes, I can carry a lot of clothes for my babies until I come with the ones they even never put on well at home. But for me, if I carry 1, 2, 3, 4, I cannot reach 10. But for my babies, I carry enough. Because for baby, they play, they cannot go to bed with the same cloth. You wash your baby now, your baby take shower, within 1 hour 20 minutes the baby is like, I don't understand. So when going to bed especially, you cannot allow your baby to go to bed like that with the same clothes. So for me, yeah, the baby where you have to carry. So guys, I'm done. Like, I'm done washing. Like, you can see these clothes, what's remaining here is just go hang them for them to dry. Like, I'm already done applying, or I'm already done using my Downy, like here. So what I want to show you, like for me when I'm using my Downy, like when I'm done like this with like an example, this towel off, here is where now I apply my Downy, then I just go and hang for a nice smell. Yeah, so I'm done like applying here, you know, this cloth. So I just want to show you how I'm always doing. Like, I'm done rinsing, so I just apply here, then I do what? Then I go just hang my clothes, guys. I just go hang them like that, guys. Yeah, like that. Then I just go, I'm done applying here. Yeah, like that, I'm done using Downy. Really smelling nice, guys. I know you cannot you cannot feel the smell, guys. Really. So I like using when I'm done washing, I'm done rinsing, then I apply, then I just go hang them like that for a nice smell. When you meet me, you will feel, or you will you'll be the smelling from my clothes. Oh my good guys. So guys, that is it. I'm done. Try this one. Though expensive, even for me, you can see me using the smaller size. This one is 280 ml. So sometimes when I'm having something small, I just go, like, you know, these clothes I used while going home and coming back, they are my most nicest clothes. So I have to use Downy for my most nicest clothes. Not like this one I'm putting on. Yeah, so those ones I usually use my Downy. My clothes I can put while going somewhere. Yeah, you understand? Especially fellow ladies, you understand? For men, some men, they can use anything to go anywhere, like everywhere. Guys, bye for today. Yeah, okay. Smelling so nice, guys. Smelling so nice. Bye for today. Let me go hang my clothes. I'm going to show you while they are on wire line. Yes, now I'm getting rope lines or wire lines. Bye for today. See you when you see me. Thank you so much. Please share my videos, guys. Please. I'm grateful for everything. Yes, I'm already monetized, guys, but no views. I'm still thinking like a lot. I'm thinking how I can get views, but with God everything is possible. We'll continue trying. Yes, we are jobless, staying in the house. Yeah, that one we left for God. Let God do his thing. Like now we are trying YouTube. We'll also try another one until when we are still breathing. We'll continue trying different things until we call it God did it for us. Of course, God is still doing it. We are still breathing. How many age mates already down there under the grave? But here we are still here. No complaint. Thank you so much. Bye. Try Downy when you are done washing your clothes. You are about to hang them. Like when you are done rinsing, please add some amount of Downy, especially to your most clothes you love most. Apply, then you'll get the best smell. You'll never regret using Downy. Try Downy luxury perfume, vanilla and cashmere mask. We call it Downy. Just try it if you are done. Like I'm done washing my clothes there. Just try, add, like then you just go hang your clothes direct. Then you'll get the best perfume, the best, like you'll never regret using Downy. Try Downy when you are done washing your clothes. You are about to hang them. Like when you are done rinsing, please add some amount of Downy, especially to your most clothes you love most. Apply, then you'll get the best smell. You'll never regret using Downy. Try Downy luxury perfume vanilla and cashmere mask. We call it Downy. Just try it if you are done, like I'm done washing my clothes there. Just try, add, like then you just go hang your clothes direct, then you'll get the best perfume, the best, like you'll never regret using Downy. Downy luxury perfume vanilla and cashmere mask. For you to get the best result after you're done washing your clothes, try using Downy. Yeah, and you'll get the best luxury perfume. Fungua mlango peleke huko. Peleka hiyo huko, peleka huko. Chai. Downy luxury perfume vanilla and cashmere mask. For you to get the best perfume, yeah, try using Downy and you'll never regret the kind of smell you're gonna get from your clothes. Try Downy.